Sorry, just sorting out the chat. Sorry about this. There we are. Yeah, sorry I'm a little bit late. I was just having a little chat with my mum. Oh, there we go. But yeah, anyway. Back onto the thing we were doing before, and that's catching a couple of Durmuds. What do I have? Oh yeah, I'm fine. Oh, my pickaxe is not doing so hot.
Wow.
Let's get this Durmud. He looks so silly. He does look so silly. Are you okay in there, buddy? Come on. Get in the bowl. Stay in the bowl. You know you want to. Come on. Dumud. I think there's something wrong with my daydream. See if I can... Oh, there we are. It sorted itself out. Right, any more Durmuds? For the mining. What's that noise? Did it just blow up? It just blew up! What is that? A frightening power that produces exploding eggs? It often fires these eggs in its rear as a form of defense, but when spent, the power itself explodes. Look at suicide fucking bomber bird! The hell? More Durmuds. Oh, another one. I'm just trying to be careful not to get hit too much. Come on. Oh, no. Oh. Sweet. Got another one. Oh god. Syndicate thugs. Don't want to mess with them. Oh, more Durmuds. I'm gonna heal a little. Any fast travel points? What's that? Oh, it's a footer. Oh. Stay away from them. What? What's hitting me? Oh, the Durmud. I hit berries. Oh, it's a suicide bird again. Oh, Sparkets. Megaspheres. Another fodder. Huh. Oh, more Dumud. So yeah, this is good. What is that?
Wow.
A Dictoids? Oh god! Oh god! I'm cold. Oh no! I got this Dictoys. Oh, do I have a torch? Oh, I actually don't. Huh. Well, that didn't quite work out that way I wanted it to. What? Oh, God. Oh, no, this is not the right spot. This is not the right base. I'll put you and you. Got that. I'll check that out in a bit. Fast travel to main base. Oh, wait, this isn't main base? Where's my base? There. Ah! Hey, guys. I'm cold. Oh, I'm warm. What's a tombat? Well, all my stuff is in that, other area. Sleep. I got a feeling it's going to take quite a while to get it back. Ooh, large electric egg. And Rayhound. At full speed, it can be mistaken for a bolt of lightning. Two Rayhounds collide. The sound is like that of a powerful thunderclap. Ooh. What does this do? Just generates electricity. It's got barely body, 20% defense. I mean, probably it does need it. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, Dumud. And what's this dig toy? Free mining? When activated, perform shell spin. Follows the player while spinning and mining ores efficiently. Whoa. Increase the player logging. Barely body. And it's level 3 mining. Never mind Dumud. Let's get more of those. Let's get more of those dig toys. Look at that big drill boy. Watch him go. Oh wow, he really does. He really does. Whoa. Mine base. He just goes for it. they just go for it. What's that? Oh, it's a fixie. Oh, I got nothing. Come here! That's the sound of a shiny.
Yeah. Whoa.
I can hear it. Oh, I think it's glitched and it's in the rock. If you use their chat balls, the price is lower than any competitor. A huge number of custom settings go to stream rise. I'll look into it after the stream. Overheat EDCM. I can look into it after the stream. Yeah, sorry I didn't see your message a little earlier. We got bread. Well, I can't get the shiny because it's not available to me. Oh, yeah, I also realized I don't have any balls because I just died. I got nothing. Yeah, I got nothing. I will eat my bread though. Totally ate bread. Well, yeah, thank you for the advice, Overheat EDCM. But I'll look into it after the stream. Well, they're going mental. Well, this shiny thing is not going to be viewable. Put Greyhound in there because I don't really need it. Depresso. Chill it. Spark it. Implode. That's big. Risk his life to cause a violent explosion because incapacitated afterwards. Oh, so that's the attack. Stronghold strategist. Increase the player's defense. Well, I mean, if it's going in, bombing everything, I would be shocked if it didn't. Fast travel. Back to base. Back to home base.
Yeah.
Go Daydream. Do I have eggs in chest? I do have eggs. I have a large damp egg. Large damp egg. We've got more eggs in here. Wait, what? Oh, that does not sound good at all. That really does not sound good. Oh no. I think everyone should be fine. I mean, they're coming slowly. Let's make 11 of these. So I could try and catch them before they get here. Oh, they're making their way here quite quickly, actually. What's a Nightwing? Well, as they got smarter. But why are they coming to explode? Please not explode. Oh, Penguin, this is gonna be bad. Cause that guy, oh no. Oh, did I pick him up? Oh, I just hadn't set.
Yeah.
Stay away from my base! Wait, are they running up? Well, are they running away already? Did they just realize there's no point exploding this base? Huh? They're definitely running away. Did I scare him away? I don't know. Oh. Anubis? What? Was there something special? Well, I mean, it was over 47, so it's kind of a good thing I didn't see it. Is there a spot? The closest spot is at Mount Floppy Summit. I want to get my stuff back. Ah! Stop putting stone into the chest, you madmen! You madman. Tropical outfit. Woo! I'm all nice and toasty. Yeah, alright. Ice working. I'm gonna probably need it, to be fair. No parachute. I'll make an old bow. Just so I have something. Yeah, just so I have something. Along with just 40 arrows. Okay, that's definitely more than 40, I can tell you that. Alright then, we're gonna do that. Be great to fly. Wait. Wait, do I have anything that can fly? Because, I mean, you gotta do this. For safely riding Greyhound. Okay. I ain't got anything that can fly. Oh, wait. Wait, Nightwing. Do I have Nightwing? No. Wait, can I fly on Nightwings? If I can, that'll be super handy. Means a saddle, so I would have assumed I could. You go, penguin. Where's my rabbit? Oh, there she is. Just slowly running towards me. It's like, I'm coming! I'm coming! Oh, this takes a while. But if that saddle works, I can fly. And if I can do that, I don't have to worry. Ooh. Is that my arsocks? Yeah. So I was wondering what that roaring like noise was. Do I even have night? Well, I mean, is there something craft? I guess I do. There it is. Alright, let's get some berries on the go. Are they in here? No. Let's get some berries. Berries. There we go. It's like, yeah. Ah, our socks. Thanks, buddy. I just realized it's like chicken and eggs. Maybe a couple of berries in the frying pan, but it's more or less just chicken. He's still working on it. Or she, sorry. Rip bunny. Oh, they got a bit hungry. Careful, our socks. You might be burning my toes. I'll let them do that. There's still a lot of arrows. Come on, Nightwing saddle, Nightwing saddle. Oh, because if I can fly, that'd be cool. Alright then.
What?
Can be ridden as a flying mount. Oh! I can fly! Oh my god! Oh, I can fly! I didn't want that. I guess I don't really have to worry too much about, whatchamacallit. I'll take the cat's Vazza with me. Fast travel to Mount Floppy. Mount Floppy. Ah. What? Oh no. Oh, it just ignores me. Let's fly away. Oh, sorry, Floppy. Is that a stamina bar? I think it is. Oh, wait, that's not it. Ah, there it is. New place over there as well. That'll be cool to explore. But right now... Oh... This can go over the water, right? Oh. Yeah! Yeah, and it can actually go over. Is that another... Oh, that's the same tree I saw earlier. Well, that's where it is. Da, 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 da. Yeah. Now that I can fly, I don't have to worry. Let's find out what this Anubis is. Because I wanted to get Dumud, and then that Dig Toys probably does a lot more than Dumud. Twilight Dunes. So see if I can get another one of those. Oh, there's one. Another Dig Toys. But first, let's get my stuff. Huh? Oh, I see. So it'll just fall down.